In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off call barring on your Samsung phone. But anyways, getting into it, call barring is a network side feature that allows you to restrict specific types of calls, such as all outgoing international calls or all incoming calls while roaming. So because this is a deep network setting, it's found within the supplementary services of your phone app. What you want to do is open up your phone application, and then once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do is tap the three little dots on the top right, then go over and press settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find supplementary services, which is going to be towards the bottom. Once you're in supplementary services, all you got to do is tap on call barring, then select voice call. And then once the menu loads, it might take a few seconds to retrieve data from your carrier. And then you can toggle the following: all outgoing calls, which prevents your phone from making any calls; international calls, which restricts calls to numbers outside your current country; all incoming calls, which blocks all people from calling you; and incoming calls while roaming, which prevents incoming calls only when you're outside of your carrier's home network. And when you toggle a setting on, you're going to be prompted for a call barring password. This is usually set by your network provider, which the common defaults are 0000 or 1234. If these don't work, you have to contact your carrier.